What's up? Okay. Screen all Gucci. Mm. 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 I love it. God damn, my hairline looks like shit. What do I do, guys? What do I do? I'm getting older. Some of my friends are losing hair. My hair's just getting wilder. I don't know. I shouldn't complain. It'll fall out. I should encourage it. It'll get longer. What the fuck? It's a catch. What do they call it? A catch 22? Damn. What's up? Wearing an old ass sweater. Why not? Crypto kept going down. I don't give a shit. I don't care anymore. Nothing phases me anymore, man. Didn't even comb my hair. I'm not kidding. I'm kidding. 2 people. What? Last Mac, what's up, man? Hold on. Let me get my shit together. Oh, fudge. Okay. The first full moon of 2022 comes out on Monday, January 17th, and has a special name. The first full moon of the year is called Wolf Moon. Hey. What? I'll be looking up it on the 17th. I'll be like, what? Is that a full moon? Oh! Maybe Bitcoin will go fucking up. I don't know, man. I look crypto, but I be yelling at Bitcoin like it owes me money. It does owe me money. What the? What are you guys drinking? Flash Mac, what are you smoking, man? I know you be smoking something. What are you drinking? I'm drinking Korean tea. I went to the Korean market, man. They got good tea. I gotta say. How you guys been? Huh? Been good? How was the holidays? It was good? It's over now. Another 365 days. Wolf Moon, love it. I love that. Hey, bro, Tony was good. Chill Money, yo. The moon of the wolf, hey. The moon of the wolf, hey. Hey. I like that, man. I think it's about time for the wolves to moon. I gotta be real. I'm getting hit up by some of my friends who I got into crypto. They're like, hey, what the F? And I'm like, hey, give me that shit. God. Ain't no one pay me to be their financial planner. The fuck? What's his name? The dude who likes Digibuy. I talked to him before. Shit. Economic Ninja. Yeah. He says, I'm just a dude with a brohawk and a dream. I ain't got a brohawk. I got a bro puff. You know how it goes. Sorry, guys. I missed the last stream on Sunday. I literally forgot. I know. That's not cool. I literally forgot. I was at a wedding, San Diego. You know, on the water, kicking it. Time flies when you're drinking by the harbor. I don't know. 5 people, what's good? What's good? This is what my life is like. I got a messed up hairline. Looking puffy. I'm looking like a puffball over here. How you guys been? What do you guys want to talk about today? Crypto? You guys still like crypto? So many people don't like crypto right now. It's funny. We got 5 people on here. You know how like I went from almost 100 live stream viewers to about 12? Probably gonna half again. There's probably only a handful of you real ones out here. Just a handful, man. Just a handful. It's okay. You guys deserve it if it turns around, you know. Because it's always darkest before the dawn. It's dark as shit out here, man. I be fumbling around. I stubbed my toe. I said, ow. But you know what, guys? Some people call me foolish. Some people call me a permabull. I tell them ye of little faith. Bitcoin ain't failed me yet. It has not failed me yet. I've been holding on to that shit for 7 to 8 years. It has not failed me yet. If it didn't fail me in 2013 or 14 or 15 or 16 or 17 or 18 or 19 or 20, it's not gonna fail me now at 43,000. Right? Shit, it should have died and petered out to death at $100. It should have died at $3, March 2020. It should have got rejected at 10 and fell down to negative bucks. It's funny, the higher the Bitcoin goes, the more everybody knows. They were none of these experts out here in 2013. Just saying that. So how they become experts so fast? There ain't no experts out here. That's the truth. What's up, guys? What's up? Nothing much. I'm good. I'm loaded on wax, baby. Shit. Are you talking about like the crypto? Or are you talking about like the moon rock shit? What you talking about? Halving event. Hey. The Dubdigital halving event. I'd be having my followers every stream because I'd be yelling too much. I don't care. It's real shit. For real, the fear has overtaken. Yep, it has. I should call some of you guys. I'm not gonna say some of you guys. You guys are real ones, but you know, some of those bulls out there. Okay, a bull. What you mean, bull every Tuesday to Thursday or what? Bull on the weekdays or what? Bull for the weekend or what? Shit. Some of these people got conviction of a fly. That's all I gotta say. Oh, if I found Bitcoin at $100, I would have bought it. No, you wouldn't have. Acting like this when it's 43,000. What are you talking about, man? That shit was hard to buy. It didn't seem like a joke. It was a fucking joke. No traction at all. You know what I'm saying? That's why, like, you know, older people from like older cycles, they're kind of built different, man. They're built different. They say, oh, you know, you're holding on. You got hopium. You need therapy, man. You can't admit that the cycle's over. It's like, hey, man, if I listened to you, I would not be anywhere close to where I am today. At a certain point in time, guys, like, we're going to look at the charts. Technically, it looks horrible. Ever heard of a market maker? You don't think whales know charting patterns, do you? The only difference between you and a whale is a whale has the money to actually influence the charting pattern. It's on death's doorstep. How don't you guys ever realize that every single time Bitcoin seems like it's about to fall off death's doorstep, it's like the perfect head and shoulder pattern. It's right at the very last precipice of the support of, like, you know, when it was at 30,000, it could have dropped to 20. Oh, it sat there for like months. You think that's a freaking coincidence, guys? Come on. If you think that's a coincidence, I got a bridge in London I can sell you. 6 people, what's up? I'm just saying. There's some market makers out here who be effing with the charts, making people think something's going to happen, make them so convinced, and then Bitcoin turns around. Think it's pure luck? How many times does something improbable happen where it's no longer probable that it's just a coincidence? Just saying. Got me playing with my ledger over here, guys. It's like a fidget. My ledger is like a fidget. But this is shit that kids have in school. I don't know. I don't know any kids. No, I know 2 kids. Can't know too many kids. It's weird. Probably now is the real time to buy Pancake Bunny LOLZ. Lols. Fucking Pancake Bunny. Is it okay? Pancake Bunny was on the bathroom floor. Jimi Hendrix style. Let's see. Bunny. That shit got hacked and it never came back. I gotta share my screen. Damn it. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? People are buying it? Wow. Rip. God damn, look at this. I mean, let's put on log. I mean, there's some volume coming in here. You can barely see it though. A little bit. I mean, it even U'd up. Whoa. How many they got now? 500,000? No, yeah. 500 million supply. Because what happened, guys, is Pancake Bunny, it got hacked. But what they did was like they minted more tokens, took it to a DEX, dumped it, and dropped the price down. There was way less before. Now they have like an inflated supply, about what, 500 million or something like that. But they moved forward. You know, they released like a go forward plan and all that, but that was about a year ago. I mean, I remember being in a Telegram group looking through, like asking them, hey, what's up? Like, what's going on? This shit's at 90 cents. How much would you need? Just shits and giggles. I mean, that's not a bad idea. Need 500 to be in a million club. It's 500. I mean, I didn't need a calculator to do that. 500 bucks. Interesting. I mean, you can still get yield too. It's starting to do. I'm seeing this pattern on every single coin. I mean, this is the pattern that Bitcoin did, right? That's interesting. Thanks for bringing it back to my attention. I forgot about that shit. Dad Master, where you at? You still got your money in Pancake Bunny? I hope. God, shit got tanked to death, but Pancake Bunny was killing it for a while during DeFi summer. Let's see. You farming on DeFi Kingdoms? No, I'm not. Wax the crypto, LOL. MVRA2. You ever had any wax though? No. I think BTC striking 60K is lightning striking, and it has struck twice now. Think it won't do it 3 times? Joseph, I think you're speaking in the context of being bullish on Bitcoin, right? I'm not sure. Are you saying it should happen again? Lightning striking, like that term, doesn't indicate like it won't happen a lot. Think it won't happen 3 times. I mean, I've never seen lightning strike, to be honest with you. That's probably scary as shit. But I mean, man, like, it's already been there like multiple times. That's old news. That's old news. Why can't it do it again? Like, oh, because it's sitting. It fell down so much. Okay, yeah. I mean, that's what crypto does, guys. What the fuck? That's what crypto does. Crypto's a volatile asset. It's got like vol of 70, man. That's like huge volatility. It goes up a lot. It goes down a lot. It goes up a lot. That's the one thing that's been constant in Bitcoin's history, is it has a lot of volatility. It went down. Okay, before then it went up a lot. No one's complaining then. I don't get it. I mean, I kind of get it. I think people come up into crypto and think that it's going to be a cakewalk, and it's never a cakewalk. New people come in here thinking they got lied to, like, oh, I was going to make money, this and that. And it's like, we said you could make money, and no one said it was easy. You said that. Don't be coming up in here saying that shit like, oh, it's supposed to be easy. I ain't never made easy money in crypto. I always worked for every single dollar I make in crypto. And so does everyone who's been in crypto. You heard? You heard. Man, Joseph, it's going to 100K. You know it. I know it. Be patient. Damn. You're getting a pep talk from a kid in a chair, man. How old is that kid? That's an old soul. Good evening, Sassy Dub. Hair flip. If I had long hair. This is curly hair problems, man. I can't do that cool shit. Cool girl shit. Hot girl shit. Any DXY macro trend ideas? I haven't looked at DXY in a long time, to be quite honest with you. I haven't. To be honest, man, like someone I watch to stay on top of DXY. I mean, I could do my own charting and stuff, but it's like I watch Crypto Sniper. He always does DXY shit. But the reason I'm not too crazy about it is because I know the macro trend of the dollar. They can't stop printing. We're going to go through a thread. I don't know if you guys saw my thread. It explains my take on the Fed. Everyone's so shook about the Fed. You know? Oh, they're tightening. Half the people saying that shit don't even understand what it means. Another half of the people don't understand that the Fed can't tighten for too long. But all the people think the Fed is telling you the truth. Sad. We're talking about it. Because I got 11 people here. They got to know the truth. I give you the guys the good stuff. Sometimes the good stuff comes in boring packages, but we got to go through that. Oh, yeah, definitely bullish. Oh, yeah. Kool-Aid dude. Kool-Aid guy style. 6 figures is coming. Be ready. I'm fucking ready. Oh, I'm ready. Oh, so ready. Hold on. Okay, look. I'm going to need you guys to type in the chat what you're going to do when you get rich as hell from your crypto. What are you going to do? What's the first thing you're going to do? And then next, I want the first thing you're going to do and then the song you're going to play while you're doing it. Everyone here, 11 people, 10 people, whatever. I should have 10 things. We got to feel it. We got to bring it in. We got to manifest that shit. You got to feel it. It happens inside then outside. Inside then outside. That's esoteric principle. Let's see. Hey, vato. Hey, how's it going, vato? Hey, fool, what's up, dude? People on the 5th booster. Do I want to do this right now? I don't know. And shit. 3 masks trying to buy Doge coins and shit. I don't know, man. I don't know. That is some divisive shit. I know you guys have lost like multiple friends over the last year or two. Over some bullshit. Over some dumb shit, man. You know what they say? Thin the herd. 5DYWY. The fuck? Peace, my man. What's today's mathematics? Have the weekends drop their bags? Weak hands are always dropping their bags, but never dropping their balls. Damn. I guess it's the way it is, man. We all can't be real. Help family and friends. Help them. But you know, man, you could take a horse to water, you can't make it drink. That's a fool's errand. 1, move to the woods. 2, play Dell Mastermind. Wow. Hey, you want to move to the woods? I want to get the F out the city too, man. This shit is freaking whack, man. You live in Cali, can't do shit out here. I can't be doing that. I'm like about to take my ball and go home, you know? Well, where you going, Dub? Leave me alone. Well, where can we find you? Don't worry about it. Get some FU money. I'm out, man. They ain't never find me. F, man, I don't know what the hell I'm going to do when I finally make money off my crypto. I'm telling you, think about what you're going to do. Think about it. Because if you don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything, money included. You know exactly what's going to happen, man. Everyone's going to come around. No one who wanted to talk to you, people who didn't give you a time of day, people who didn't want to listen to crypto, might even make fun of you. They're going to come around. They're going to sound nicer. They're going to whisper sweet nothings in your ear. And then they're going to say, what are you going to do with your money? And you're like, I don't know. And they'll be like, oh, I have an idea. Don't give them the space, man. Don't give them the space. The ride and dies, you can listen to them. But everyone else, nip that shit in the bud. Well, what did Jesus say? What did Jesus say? No, not Jesus. It was Caesar. Et tu, Brute. That means you too, Brutus. And he got stabbed in the back by his friend and a bunch of other niggas. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. My dad was like a history buff. I watched so much History Channel instead of cartoons. It's not funny. So I have all that trivia shit. Let's see. I was watching History Channel for fun. It's kind of tight though. Buy some tax properties. You're gonna buy properties you have to pay taxes on? That's what you want to do? Just kidding. I don't know what that is. Tax properties? Is that rental? I don't know. Buy an island. 3 little birds. Damn. What am I gonna play? Probably like Ray Charles or something. I don't know. A-Dub, well, 3 months at the beach. No computer, no phone, no nothing. Only eat and beach. Maybe surf. Damn. What song though? What song? Reinvest in some land out west. Raekwon. Can it be all so simple? Where out in the west, man? The west? I mean, if you keep going west, it turns into east. We're going to look at Bitcoin today, guys. We're going to look at Bitcoin. Hold up. I just got to show love to the real ones, man. You know when things are bad, you don't need me to keep showing you the charts. You can look anywhere in YouTube and find fucking charts. You guys need some of that mental reinforcement. I know I got you guys. I'll give you what you really need. Me too, bro. Disappear. I'm going to be like a ghost. I'm like, poof, gone. Don't worry about me. Let me give any noob some advice. Keep that shit quiet. Buy some gold, some silver stocks. Keep it quiet. Yeah, man, keep that shit quiet as fuck. Don't say nothing. They'll be coming for it. I'll tell you guys what, too. You want to find a girl before you find money, man. That's that shit. Or else you'll be out of your money. I moved out to DC into the woods in late 2021. 2 acres, power move. Yeah, man. Hey, the city, man, sucks. It got worse. It got worse when freaking the pandemic started, man. It was cool. They can't do shit. It's like, wait, hold up. I got to put up with all this bullshit. I got to put up with all these people all up in my grill. For what? I can't even go to the freaking bars no more. I can, but like, you know, people be asking me all these personal freaking HIPAA questions. What happened to HIPAA anyway? The hell happened to HIPAA? Just like doesn't exist anymore. Wake up every morning and look at my bank account like, hey, that's hot. You're in crypto, man. Don't have it all in the bank. When people didn't pay taxes on their properties, the country put liens on it and auctions it for cheap. You can get stuff for the low, but the original owner normally has a year to come back at the country. At the county. Oh, yeah. So basically you're buying like properties that the bank's trying to at least get something back on because they fronted the money to buy it initially. I mean, that's some kind of derivative of a foreclosure, right? I think, man, like shit. You guys gotta. Hey, have you guys looked at Zillow recently? If you go on Zillow, look at properties, you scroll down, they'll show a price chart over time and the price and a line graph. Tell me that don't look like crypto. Tell me it doesn't look like crypto on every single house. What happens when something goes exponential? There's every action has equal opposite reaction. There's going to be a correction, right? Something tells me in the next coming years, there's going to be a lot of foreclosures. That's just me. Hey. I'll start buying gold by the kilo instead of the ounce if we go parabolic. Hey. I know a guy who did that. Trading crypto is not easy, but it's exhilarating. One tip I can give is to learn from mistakes instead of getting upset about them. You can't improve by being flawless or perfect. That's true. Hold up. My nose been peeling, man. My bad. That's true. So in my last job in supply chain, I was Lean Six Sigma certified. So that basically means like lean is basically like a manufacturing technique or a methodology where you like gain efficiency, remove waste, like putting stations together in like sequence so you don't have to walk across the room, stuff like that. But also like Six Sigma, which is basically measuring things, the art of measuring things, like getting data and then using that data to like hone like how often you replace like a drill die or some shit like that, you know. And the one thing, I had a mentor in it, and the one thing he told me, and I always stuck with me, he says, hey, let me see your data on this. And I was like, I don't got it. And he was like, you don't got it? I was like, no. And then he was like, how are you going to improve? You can only improve what you measure. That's true. How do you measure your mistakes? Everything's a learning opportunity. If you lose money and you don't learn anything, that was the worst lesson ever. It's like giving money at college, you learn nothing at. So even if it's expensive, even if it makes you upset, dig to find the meaning. The smarter you get has nothing to do with like your intellect. It has everything to do with how much you pay attention and get the meaning out of situations. 15 people, what's up? For real, man, 2008 gonna look small. Yeah. Hey, and here's another thing. Guys. Remember beginning of the pandemic when they were saying, hey, you don't gotta pay your rent, this and that, and a lot of people didn't do it. There's like a clause in a lot of those mortgages that if you stop servicing your mortgage, then they could come back and like demand the whole thing of the loan because you pretty much defaulted on your mortgage agreement. When are they going to pull that clause? Ouch. Because everyone thought it was just, I don't have to pay my rent right now. There's no repercussions. And it's been so long, people freaking forgot. There's usually a clause in every single mortgage talking about how the bank could come and call all the money that you owe at one point. It doesn't happen frequently, but in extreme situations, it can. That's another black swan, that's for sure. That's a scary concept because crypto markets may be more correlated than we thought. And if crypto is ruled by USD, then the big crash will certainly crush us. Yeah, it's going to crush us. You know that, right? You know it's going to crush you. But I'm trying to get the bag before it happens, guys. Before it happens. That's why I say, make your money, secure the purchasing power. I expect a contraction to happen. Everyone's calling for hyperinflation. I don't think we're there yet. Because if the Fed really went through with it right now, they would get blamed. People be like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, stop. They're already saying that now. The fuck? But if there was a Great Depression deflationary contraction, something that was so extreme, it made you want to freaking puke, made people run out in the streets, pitchforks, cardboard signs and shit, yelling. Like, if that happened, then the people would beg the Fed to hyperinflate. Please, Fed, help us fix this. My kid ain't gonna eat. I can't, my grandpa can't buy his medicine and food at the same time. Fix this, Fed. And the Fed then will say, you're right. Here we go. See, guys, it's called, what do you call? Something synthesis, some shit. So I don't know the whole, the fancy esoteric thing. But it's basically problem, action, solution. Problem, reaction, solution. It's that's what they do. If they did it right now, everyone would know who the real public enemy number one is. If they do it that way, then I mean people ask for it. Just give the people what they want. They're not stupid, guys. But we haven't had that sick contraction yet. I don't want to be sitting around when it does, but I'll tell you what, at the other end, then the Fed will buy it up again. They'll print 10 times, 100 times more money than they printed in the pandemic. Boom. There we go. But when it's at the bottom, when no one has any money, what are you going to have? I can see it so clear. Do I have an overactive imagination? Maybe. 15 people, what's up? Due on sale clause. Due on sale clause. Sale. What the fuck? Sale. That's like a what? A Christmas story? Fragile. When they call the loan due. Yep. I have a feeling you're gonna do that shit. They're gonna do that shit so hard. I don't know if you could tell. The government don't give a shit about you. Not one bit. It doesn't have any. Has nothing to do with your vaccination status. It has to do with your class. I mean, you can always open a shot. Short. I ain't gonna do that shit now. I'm confident in ways, not that confident. Gonna buy a bigger dinghy for the boat, then disappear. Nothing complicated. Song, simply the best. Tina, awesome Turner. Nice. I'm gonna disappear too. I'm gonna fly it. I'm gonna just like, I'm gonna go like this. God gonna lift me up into the clouds. Go away. Time to hang them. Hi, baby. If y'all gonna do a revolution, let's go then. No, man. Violent revolutions are played out. They ain't never go nowhere. You could be your own revolution. You could withdraw yourself from the system. You just have to be financially secure to do it. Everyone tries to fight. Everyone tries to do all this bullshit in the street. It don't work. It never works. They have more firepower. They have more numbers. They have unlimited money. But the one thing that, how do they get the money? They have a system that they need cogs to work in. You're a cog. You go out and work and make that whole system work and function. As you participate in the system, you give the energy to the system. You perpetuate the system. How do you get rid of the system? How do you get yourself out of the system? What do you think we're doing here? Get yourself out first, then you can pull people out. If everyone concentrated on themselves and getting themselves out, you would, over time, starve the beast. The beast would die, wither away. Then the beast would start being nicer to you and shit. But everyone wants that government pension. That's the problem. Everyone's so damn dependent on the beast. The beast system's already here, guys. Just saying. Let's see. Hegelian dialectic. Not sure the pet spelling. Subdub. What's up? Hegelian dialectic is not necessarily that, though. Hegelian dialectic is the concept where you offer someone two paths, but it all goes to the same destination. It's giving someone the illusion of choice. Right? What's one that comes to mind? Democrat, Republican? No offense, guys. It's all a rigged game. You can all come to my island. It's tax-free. Dope. Thank you. The Fed wants inflation, so we spend, but we raise interest rates. If inflation gets out of hand, the bigger threat would be deflation. Much worse than inflation. Sounds like you read my freaking Twitter. I know some of you guys seen it. I'm gonna show you guys because it just pretty much lays it out, man. Like I see so many people on like Twitter and they don't get it. They don't get it. They really listen to what the Fed says. And the Fed don't care at all what they say. They just tell you whatever you want to hear. Right? Real quick, guys, bear with me. You can come find this on my Twitter bio. If you want to go in, I share like sources and stuff. You could click in and actually see it. It's not just a rant. It has substance to it, right? The truth is the Fed indirectly issues credible threats to influence market behavior. They don't have to create deflation, inflation. They just need to create its perception. Through their FOMC meeting communications, they do this and amplify their message using the media. Using deflationary words to influence investors' actions within markets, they achieve a similar effect without directly affecting the money supply or hiking interest rates. Why would they do this? To temporarily let off inflationary pressure and attempt to restore some confidence in the dollar, much like cooling down an overheated engine. If the Fed had to choose between deflation and inflation, they would choose the latter. Don't take my word for it. Take Ben Bernanke's. He talks about it right here. Click on it. What's the title of the speech? Deflation, making sure it doesn't happen here. Deflation is the Fed's biggest fear because it would cause the evaporation of their only product, which is debt. The Fed is more concerned with managing the dynamics of the economy in their desired direction than they are telling you the truth about what they're trying to achieve. This is because their primary tool in managing markets is human psychology. In behavioral economics, a nudge is a way to manipulate people's choices to lead them to make specific decisions. See, that's what people don't get. That the manipulation is part of their thing. That's what they do, is manipulate. So before you blindly trust the Fed, what the Fed tells you, understand that their motives are directly opposed to telling you the true state of the economy. Doing so would remove their ability to influence investor perception and render them less effective. This is why they are silent about the root cause of the 2019 repo crisis. This is why they told you inflation was initially transitory. They aren't your friends. They are central planners. That was a nice segue, man. Nice segue. Yep. Deflation is their worst threat, but they will dance with inflation. They will dance with it. Let that contraction happen to allow them to issue their ultimate goal, which is the continued death spiral of the US dollar. The Fed's product is debt. Why would they let debt disappear? That would remove their power that they've taken, generations to acquire? That seems counterproductive, and they seem too smart to let that happen. 15 people, what's up? Teach Lead YouTuber said that Solana, Cardano, and other blockchain code languages are very bad for programming. Maybe no one here cares about it, but in the future, only the better ones will survive EOS. Tech Lead? No, Tech Lead. One guy's opinion. I mean, and, I don't know, man. I believe in interoperability. I think that there's going to be multiple of them. They got a lot of traction, though. Like, the one thing, in the future, but, the one thing you got to remember is, it's in the network, too. Solana's got a big-ass network. What's the other one you said? Cardano? Big-ass network. We'll see. They're pretty young, though. Yeah, that's true. Definitely parallel structures. Your Twitter was on point today. Thank you. I just had to let people know. Yo, what the F? Thought you fell off. Haven't seen you for a bit, fam. I've been here. I thought you fell off. Haven't seen you in a bit. DeFi Kingdom expanded on to AVAX. Airdrop to jewel holders on AVAX chain. Oh, dope. Thank you. Trust for Sons. Dancing Nancy's. Dave Matthews. Buy a patch of land. Open a metal working shop to create my ideas. Continue acting a fool. Nice. Trust for Sons. Hey, that's looking out. That's the generations, man. That's looking out for the generations. Young people are the future, man. Blueberry Gelato for 20. Don't know what you're talking about, man. The Fed cares, man. They care. Sure they do. Can't even keep a straight face with that one. Dot is the one chain to bring all languages. Trust in Gavin Wood. Business, we got a term. It's like trust but verify. I trust he's smart. But there's a whole bunch of smart people who work for dumb people, make less money. I just need to see some execution. Let's see. Okay. Enough of that. We're almost 40 minutes in. I haven't even looked at the chart. That's rude. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin's stupid ass. Okay. The RSI. Oh, I'm looking at RSI. I'm freaking desperate now. I turn this shit off. Get out of here, man. Okay. Look, actually, let me go back to the day. We had this idea of an ascending triangle, right? Goes out into May. I mean, ascending triangles usually don't wait until like the very last of the structure to like break out. So it could happen anywhere between March, May, probably take around that time to, if it did continue its reversal upwards, it would take at least like deep into February to approach back up to here. But everyone thought that this idea was invalidated because it fell out of the structure. Everyone was saying this is a head and shoulders. This is a head and shoulders. Dubdigital, what the F? What am I going to do? My wife's going to kill me. I can't sleep on the couch anymore. My back is killing me. My back hurts too, man. But look, this is what I'm saying. It climbed back into the triangle. Now it's not deep in the triangle. Yeah, I know. Give us some time. We'll come back and look at it. I'll be back here on Sunday. It's not deep into the triangle, but it climbed back in. That's funny, isn't it? Isn't it funny how Bitcoin just happens to break significant levels at the worst possible freaking time? Like right after December, where a lot of people were talking about the 4-year cycle, even me. Hit them right where it hurts. Right where when they think like, oh, it's got to turn around now, January, and it's actually going down. It's actually looking like a bear market starting. That's funny. You think Bitcoin plans that out? Then on top of that, we got like this head and shoulders looking thing. This looked promising when it was making higher highs and higher lows, but then this thing comes down and actually goes below this prior one. That's a bad bearish signal. There's all these bearish signals, but then Bitcoin turns around and climbs back into the triangle. Huh. Sounds like a lot of people got shook the hell down. That's what I think happened, man. That's what I fucking think happened. Because look, same thing right here. Remember, everyone said Bitcoin's going to fall down to negative bucks from 29,000. Everyone was saying, oh, it's going to drop 35% to 20,000. It's going to go to 10,000. It's going to go to a couple $100. And then what did it do, guys? Lifted off. Took off about 135%. I guess they were wrong. And then it happened again right here. Right? I remember when this thing was curving out and rounding down, people said, oh, this was just the bounce. We're going down again. Then it took off again and it curved around and people are saying the same damn thing right here. Guys, Bitcoin's larger than life. Get effing over it. Get effing over it. They're finessing you. You're getting finessed right now. The first time, the first cycle, Bitcoin's cycle extends farther than 4 years. A lot of first times. Every cycle is a little bit different. Why do you think most people don't make the money? Because every cycle is a little bit different. There's always an element of doubt. And if you thought you could waltz up in here and it would be easy peasy lemon squeezy, that's not how none of this works, man. It's not how it works. You got to give to get and everything in life. Destiny wants its pound of flesh. We're over here bleeding and shit. They can't say we didn't deserve it. They can't say we didn't deserve it. We're still in the triangle. We ain't got to look at it too much. I could pull it up again, but it's not too much to look at. All we know is we almost fell to death's doorstep. Bitcoin said, just kidding. Climb back in. Game's still on. Game's still on. Now everyone's feeling bullish as hell because 2 days ago they were thinking it was over. And I'm talking about like OGs that I know. That's how you know that this shit is probably going to turn around. Let's look at the fear and greed index. Actually, you know what? Yeah. This just at 21, which is extreme fear. But a couple days ago, it was at 10. That's how I knew we might turn around. I said, this shit is too ridiculous. Too many people think they know exactly what's going to happen. You know what happens when that happens? They're usually wrong. They're wrong today. Now, I could sound like a jackass. I could be wrong. But I don't think so, man. Fear and greed at 10. We haven't had the exponential pump up yet. It's noise. Dubdigital. You're just like ignoring like stuff, like data points. Like that seems irresponsible of you, I guess. But I've been around for 7 years. Must work somewhat, right? What's your thoughts on the graph? It's cool. It's like indexing. Is it indexing? Being able to find stuff on blockchain and stuff like that. I think it's cool. I mean, I remember it popping on Coinbase. It's done well. I know some people on this channel done very well with the graph. I'm not like overly excited about it, but it's been treating my people's good. Bro, I gave up on DGB. Best money spent elsewhere. So stagnant. I told you guys. I told you from 3 months ago. Let's see. I mean, based off all my fucking videos, my DGB ones, probably been the most accurate in the worst way. Let's see. Mm-hmm. And you know what? I think there might be a little more pain. I'm thinking it can get to like 2.5 cents. It's already in 2 cents. It's fucking already in 2 cents. Once we start seeing this curving, like bottoming out right here, that's what I want to see. That's exactly what I want to see, because this is what came after next. I told you guys like somewhere around like here that if this fractal keeps playing out, like look, this looks freaking exactly the same. It's crazy. So, you know, it's psychology. And if people have thought this similarly for this long, over the course of damn near reaching on to like a whole freaking year, why wouldn't this psychology happen? This big ass pump happen at the end? I think it would. I don't gotta be in DigiByte for all this time. I just gotta be there right here, the last very end. When everyone gave up on it, everyone sold it. I'll say, I'll pick your bags up. Give it to me. I'm a nice guy. Give it to me. Give it to me. Guys, I get like excited about stuff when people like don't believe in it. I like that. Maybe it's a fault. I love underdog stories. Nah, man, Adam's greater than Dot. I like Adam better, but you know, I don't count anything out. Dot could come back. It's just like it's not showing me that right now. But maybe it becomes like a beast in a year or two. Paper hand hedge funds. Oh, hedge funds sold in May. They made their money, you know. Bye. I'm making 500% on DeFi Kingdom, so you take time, Bitcoin. Yeah, man. It depends how you look at it, right? The shit, they're accumulating. I mean, like, look. You know what's funny? Let's go back to Bitcoin. End of the year is right here. Funds were selling pretty much from November all the way down, whether that be tax harvesting, pulling profit, whatever. They usually sell at the end of the year and re-risk up at the beginning of the year. And then right when January happens, Bitcoin takes a 15% dump. Interesting. Let's zoom up. We're on the day. Let's get volume. And then we start having some significant green candles come up in here. Who is that? Who do you think it is? You guys know? I have an idea. Maybe it's the same assholes that were selling up here. They're taking their profits and buying at a 40% discount. What do you think? Seems pretty smart to me. Good evening, party people. What's up? Okay, they're talking about interoperability and shit. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. What do you think? When you see I'm looking at the RSI, you know I'm tripping. Let's see. Okay. Bitcoin dominance. We've been doing this bullshit for the longest a long time. This is longer than I thought Bitcoin dominance would be effing around, but I guess the good thing is that we're deep into it. So the chance of it dropping down just going to get greater and greater. We put the work in. It's 345 days. I mean, 245 days, damn near approaching a year. When Bitcoin went from 10 to 60K, this is what happened Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin's been sitting at this ranging, going sideways for about a year now. I told you that the area where Bitcoin was at 10K, it took a long time to break up. But when it did, took off to 20, then 65 very quickly. Bitcoin is doing something similar right now, teetering around the 40, 50,000 ranges. It's really hard to get above that 65 to 70,000 definitively, like I said it would. It's reminding me of the similar area of 10K. Will it have another big move up? I think it would. I mean, that's kind of what Bitcoin does. And if this is how the Bitcoin dominance reacted when that was happening, a lot of money flowing in altcoins, should that happen again, let's just take a similar percentage, 35%. That puts us down at a Bitcoin dominance of 25%. Now, Dubdigital, why do you think it's dropped lower? Well, because just looking at the macro trend of the chart, I just did this one like diagonal line right here to show the trend. It's down and to the right. That means that Bitcoin dominance over the lifespan of this chart has seeked lower lows. So Bitcoin takes off like we think it will. Bitcoin dominance should drop, meaning a lot of money is going to drop back into altcoins like it did between March and May of 2021. It all lines up. Yeah, it lines up. Because I think that's what's going to happen. Because I was talking about Bitcoin dominance. See this triangle right here? You see that? I was talking about the Bitcoin dominance dropping right around here. I was talking about it in 2020 when no one was talking about crypto. Then that should happen. And I've been talking about the drop down to new lows. Long time now. Just saying, guys. I tell you, I'm typically early. It's bad, but it's whatever. I bought a little barn bridge because there's a max supply of 10 million and it's an all-time low. The chart looks like crap, but who knows? Yeah, it is low. There's not a lot of supply on it either. Like, it's not like 90% out. You could check on Coinbase, I think. Look, if a big drop in Bitcoin dominance like that happens again, it don't matter what you buy. Don't. That's why I'm still farming some like really small coins. Like, I don't give a shit. It's like, why are you getting that? You buy quality. It's like, hey, I just need quantity. See, the end of the cycle, that's when you got all these people running up in here. They don't know anything. And that's to my advantage. I'll take their money all the same. I don't care. I ain't proud. No one said I was nice. You know what I'm saying? That's why I still got a little Bitcoin diamond. It says Bitcoin. That's all they know. Hey, I saw it happen last cycle. I'd be damned if I don't get that shit, man. The Bitcoin forks popping off and all that. Man, I can't wait. Can't wait to dump. I'll be like this. I'll be like this. Dumping all my crypto. Love it. 18 people, what's up? Man, Vitalik ain't no fortune teller. That makes me more bullish on Adam, actually. Vitalik is an alien, though. You know? Blackberry Kush? Oh. Ooh-wee. What's your thoughts on LTN M? Bitcoin Latinum? What? Unico has an NFT marketplace where you can buy Now buy NFTs with BTC. I don't even know what that is, man. Is that like Bitcoin merged with lithium? I like lithium. I think you nice. Hey, thanks, man. Holding it down for us, light skins. Hey, I'm just a citizen of the earth, man. Just a citizen of the earth. Barnbridge Bond. Hey, strong. 56 minutes in. Hey, I don't know, man. We look at the charts. It's kind of boring. I've been saying the same shit, you know. I don't know what to say. Sitting here in the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air sweatshirt and shit. It's all faded. I did my laundry wrong one time. You know how it is. Okay, whatever. Talk to me. Talk to me or I'm going to leave. I'm serious. Light skin. Hey, you're a yellow skin, man. Look at that. Damn, man, you're high as shit. Looking like an alien, man. Whoa. You got 416 Bitcoins? Hey, let me have one. Oh, no, I'm good for it, man. I should start like, maybe I'm going about this all wrong. Maybe the path to success in crypto is just starting a lot of live stream scams. Just kidding. 22 people, what's up? What's your view on the market right now? It's dark outside, man. I can't see very far. What are my views? I mean, look, man. Bitcoin, at the start of 2020, it was like, after the crash, it was $3,000. Now it's $43,000. That's more than a 10x. Yeah, it was higher, but it's definitely been lower. What's new? What's really new? The Fed, they're jawboning all this deflation. People are selling their crypto because they think it's going to be a lot of deflation. But the thing they don't remember is the Fed lies a lot. What's new? Nothing's new. They have to keep printing because if they stop printing, everything will collapse. Right at a time when the U.S. economic outlook has never looked more depressing, crazy unemployment. Do they really want that smoke? I don't know. I don't think they got the balls, man. We'll see. They've switched their stance already. I mean, remember they were raising interest rates during the Trump era? When Biden came in, they start tapering it, making easy money policy. Assets starts going up. Now they're tightening again. But we've seen them switch their stance like 180 before. Why wouldn't it happen again? I think it will happen again. Bro, what is a coin people sleeping on that you would accumulate in a bear market? Good question. XPRT, Comdex. Well, XPRT because they pay like 30%. Like I'm taking in this bear market, I'm taking the standpoint of like, I'm trying to take Warren Buffett's like advice about buying value dividend paying stocks. You could just simulate that with crypto, right? You buy value based staking or yield generating crypto. So as long as the bear market has, even if it extends, because we're seeing an extension on the bull market, who knows? The longer the time, the better, because you're getting yield thrown off. Yield's getting generated, thrown off. You're getting it every single month, whatever. You know, you want to weaponize time, even if time, you know, that time to accumulate gets longer. You don't really care, because who knows, man? Who knows? It might be shorter, might be longer. I don't know, but I don't really care if I'm getting yield. But XPRT, they're doing a lot. I mean, I'm all up in that shit, reading that shit. They're gonna kill it for sure. And then Comdex, because they're hitting a point. Like I used to work in logistics and like supply chain, and you guys heard about the port of Long Beach, right? Having a whole bunch of ships off the shore, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. Basically, Comdex is making they're making synthetic assets, right? So you could have Comdex, you buy that at a low, then you could use your CMDX, your Akash, your Atom, your XPRT, a whole bunch of Cosmos-based assets, and you can collateralize them to make something called a C asset, which is basically a synthetic asset, much like synthetics, much like an organics on EOS, where you can get leverage to gold, silver, oil, I think, at the start. But what's really got me excited is a product they have launching 2022, which is called ShipBuy, which allows big sea transporters and stuff the ability to get money from the cargo that's sitting out there on the sea for months and months and only getting longer. See that? See that? It's a pain point. It's a pain point. It's getting real expensive to send things over the sea, but it matters less if big companies can get liquidity out of that cargo before it's even undocked. Those are two. What do you think? You like that? You think this bull market will be extended like the last one? Bull market extended? I mean, what do you mean? Like up or which way? I feel like we are extending this way. It's longer than 4 years, but up? Yeah. I don't know. Clarify, please. At least you're smoking some good in California, though, right? Always, man. But that's barely enough. You know why the weed's so good out here, man? Because you can't buy shit to live in. You got 500,000. We got 1 million homes, depending where it is. Bars and the windows and shit, man. A-Dub, did you already went through the crypto yeehaw moment? And with that, what song? Oh, crypto yeehaw moment? I mean, I think it happens every bull run. But no. Man, I'm self-made, man. Self-made. I'm still waiting for the big yeehaw. A big one is coming, though. It's not too far away. You degened? It's okay. I feel to sell my little bags and concentrate them. Gets hard watching all your bags. Uno. It's true. I had a whole bunch of coins. I still got a bunch of coins, but I've had them for so long that it's over 365 days on a lot of them. So I will keep them because I'm paying the long-term capital gains tax minus the short. The short's what? California, probably damn near 40%. But if you keep something for 366 days, then it's categorized, at least in the United States, as long-term capital gains or investment, and you have to pay 20%. So from a tax standpoint, this extension is kind of working out to my favor right now. If this shit blows up, I had this for a year. I was planning on playing the higher tax bracket. It's damn. You know what I'm saying? Things I think about at night. Stake your Luna, Atom, AVAX, and then chill. You got that Comdex airdrop too? Hey, yeah, you guys could buy Comdex 2 on osmosis.zone. That DEX has Comdex. It has pretty much all Cosmos-based assets. And now they also got their own decentralized algorithmic stablecoin, UST. There's a Comdex UST pool. There's an XPRT USDT pool, I think. And they just got incentivized. Oh, I bring you guys so much alpha. No one knows. God. I don't even charge you guys because I like you. I like that. And took the same Buffett outlook on DOT. I'm a simple guy. I buy DOT, stake 20%, crowd loan when it makes sense for free tokens. Hey, let me tell you this. Comdex, they're paying 57% staking. 57% staking. Akash is paying 50% staking. XPRT is paying 32%, 37% staking. Whoa there. Then you could take your XPRT, drop it in P stake. You liquid stake it. You get 32% just for securing the network, XPRT network. Then you get STK XPRT, drop it in SushiSwap. You're welcome. QuickSwap's a good one too. Liquid staking over there. How much percentage is enough? Say you nail the bottom. Say everything drops 90% and you have the balls to go in and buy. How much would that be the next cycle if you just let it stake? And depending how much money you put into it, shit, could it pay your monthly expenses? Could you retire early? That's the beauty of cash flow. More like sideways kinda, alt pump, etc. Nah, I think Bitcoin's time is coming. That's not indicative of the euphoria phase, you know. Shit, bro, you're a cosmonaut like me. Well, damn then. I'm not a cosmonaut. I'm a crypto lover. I like to promote my agenda more than loyalty to an ecosystem. Why chain myself one place? I'm a ghost. I go everywhere. I go where I need to go to accomplish my goals and to further my agenda. But yeah, Cosmos pays some pretty high yields. Osmosis outperformed my margin portfolio. Dang, did your spot portfolio outperform your margin portfolio? Gushers 420. Hey, what's the point of staking if the value of the coin goes down and permanent loss is a bitch? Well, stating. I mean, one, that's why you want to buy along the bottom. So the chance of it going down gets less and less. You're not getting wrecked. So depends when you buy. Definitely depends when you buy. But staking, single coin staking or securing the network doesn't experience impermanent loss at all. You're talking about yield farming. Dual coin yield farming at that. You're a Osmo's 95%, LOL. Whoa, really? Damn. That's crazy. Single coin? What's Pancake Bunny? I want to see. Pancake Bunny. Pancake. I want to connect my fucking wallet. Unauthorized. Yeah, that's right. I don't want to connect. I'm trusting you. Let's see. Earn farms. %. I mean, this is dual. Where's their shit? I don't know. Whatever. Stake. 64%. Damn. 64%, 50%. Well, now it's up to you if you want to keep your money in there for years in Pancake Bunny, but like for real. Let's do some math, guys. Let's do some math. I don't know. How much money should we drop in at the bottom? How much? Assuming we nailed it. Just assume we nailed it. Someone throw out money. Anyone. How much money should we invest in the bottom? This is for an example. Type chat. Really, guys? Come on. Fine, I'll come up with some shit. God damn it. Let's see. Okay, Joseph, type a number. Someone type a number. 30%. Oh, no. I mean, like, capital to invest. Okay, I'll come up with it. Let's say you guys got rich. Let's say 10,000. Okay, I like that. 10,000. Let's just say you put it into a coin, whatever that coin is. That coin is paying, let's say what? 57%. So you drop it into Comdex. On the year, you would be like you'd have $15,000, $16,000 from a $10,000 investment, right? Then that compounds, right? So plus 10,000. Let's say it goes down a little bit over time. Okay, 50. Dang. 2 years of the bear market. Now you over doubled your money. You could damn near triple your money. And then things start lifting up off the bottom. Now you're multiplying your money. Let's just say you ended up with around what? 21 now. Let's say 25,000. 10x from there. From the bottom. When you invest in the bottom, 10x you're easy. Then you got $250,000. See how that works? See how that works? It just takes balls to buy at the bottom. But you weaponize that time so you can get that APR for years and years and years. And if the bear market extends, who cares? You're collecting more. And then when things start lifting off again, you don't got a trip. You got a fat bag that you essentially got for free. Now, yeah, there's the like possibility of regulation and things going away. That's why you wait until the bottom to see who shows relative strength. But it's been a long time. So hour 11. Damn. I gotta go. It's been fun. This has been crypto. What do I call it? What do I call this? Crypto kickback. I do it Wednesdays around 5 o'clock Eastern Pacific Standard Time. It's been fun, guys. Hang in there. We're gonna get there. Don't worry about it. Whatever. Came as far. Bitcoin's effing around. Bitcoin always effing around. Same shit. All right. But till next time, talk to you later.